Okay, welcome to another C tutorial. I'm going to do an interview practice question here on how to check for all unique characters in a string. So first thing, create a string, pass that string into our function. So we have a string here, pass it into the function, use your pointers, basic stuff there. Anyways, so a basic, most simplest approach would be to loop through the string and compare every character against one another. Just if string I equals to string j, we will have a duplicate, so we will return false. Otherwise, if we get to the end, we just return true. Simple enough. So then you'd probably have to talk about big O notation here. So we're going to have n times n because this is length of the string. We're looping through it twice, so it's nested. So this is time complexity of n squared, which is pretty bad. However, our space complexity here will be n of 1 because we don't have, all we're doing is comparing the strings against each other and then returning true or false. So if we don't want to, if we're tight for space but we have a pretty small string, like we know that strings are going to be pretty small, this is a very good approach to go for. But if we want to create a better time complexity algorithm, we have to do something better than that. So what we can do is improve on this and do, let's try and get O of n time complexity. So I'll just write that here. O of n, this is our aim here. So can we do it in one loop? So I'll just loop through string length string, and so if we create a Boolean array characters, so let's set them all to false. This should be an array. And then every time we see a character, we're going to set that index in the characters array to true. And if we come back around again second time and see that there's already a 1 there, well, we can just return false. And if not, let the loop finish and then return false, or return true, sorry. So if characters so string I will be, so C interprets it as a integer, so that'll just index the characters array. So if this is true, we return false. That means that there's already a character in that. And then otherwise, characters string I, set it to true. And if this loop completes, just return true, means that we never had any replications. So let's just make sure that one is running. And as you can see, there's 2 L's here, 2 H's, so 2 E's is all that. So yeah, we have it fails, we return false. So there you go, that's how you check, and that's space complexity of n and time complexity of O of n. So pretty good. Linear time complexity is not bad, better than squared. Alright, thanks for watching.